Hey everybody, welcome to Girl Guitar. My name is Mandy Rowden, and I get asked very often, what is girl guitar and how did it start? And so I'll give you the quick version of it here, which is that in the winter or the end of the year 2006, I had moved back to Austin, Texas from New York City. I was broke, I couldn't find work, my cell phone got cut off. On a whim, I decided to throw together a women's guitar class, thinking I could rake together enough cash to pay my cell phone bill like an adult. So I did, and I paid my bill, and we had such a great time in those 6 weeks that we decided to go for another round of classes. And then friends wanted to join. We added more and more classes. And eventually, 13 years later, it's grown into a full-fledged school, complete with various levels of guitar and songwriting classes, as well as a full-on rock camp for women, including one key ingredient, wine. Which obviously does a lot to loosen everybody up and help just have a really, really good time. I'm very passionate about the learning aspects of girl guitar, but it's equally important to me to build this community and for the friendships to evolve out of it and potential musical partnerships, with which we have many, many, many going on that have been spawned right here at Girl Guitar. Currently, we exist in South Austin. And if you're interested in getting involved, you can check out girlguitaraustin.com. If you're far away, you can still check out girlguitaraustin.com. You can follow us and subscribe here on YouTube. And you can always hit me up via the website and ask questions and potentially host workshops and classes in your own town. I do travel. And who knows, the sky's the limit. But we're here to just try to get people playing, specifically groups of women playing music. And we found a pretty cool niche, so we'd love for you to come join us sometime. Again, my name is Mandy Rowden, right here in beautiful South Austin, Texas. Thanks for listening.